Hello everyone,
Let's unbox.
I am James and today let's unbox a mini shaver which I purchased from Amazon by paying 450 rupees, Indian rupees. So cut open the seal. Inside you can see the box. The box is a little bit here and there dented or damaged, not too much damaged. What we can see is on the top it's written MINI shaver. In the front, mini pocket fashion shaver. There are pictures, mini shaver, lithium ion battery, type C. On the right side we can see delicate and portable soft trim, type C, 6 leaf blade, exquisite design, honeycomb, knife net. It's made in China, and bottom we can see colors. On the back side of the box we can see the instructions, how to use, how to charge, etc. On the right side it's written again mini shaver. Okay, let's open it. Opening, you can see inside the packing. It's good. Here comes the mini shaver. It's completely glossy blue and chrome shade. It's made of plastic. The body is made of plastic. Only the front net or mesh or grill, you can say it is made of steel. Here if we remove the front grill, rotate it anti-clockwise, we can see the blade inside. We can access it and it's easy for cleaning as well. So later, after completing the shaving test, I will show how to clean it. So I request you to stay till the end, watch the video till the end. Do not skip. The speed appears to be nice, good. You see in the box we have this one charging cable and a brush for brushing up all the hairs. The charging cable is only around 6 to 8 inches, not long. So let me charge it first and then we get back with shaving results. For charging we need to plug the type C jack in here, and you can see the light. That light is going. This means that it is charging, and once the battery is full, this light will turn to blue color. The light is hardly visible. They should have drilled a proper hole here for the light to emit outside, but it's okay, we can see the light. When it's turned on, the light is blue. So when the battery is full, that time also the light will be blue. Suppose this light blue is glowing but the blades are still not rotating, it means there is some problem with the unit inside or the motor itself. Being cut properly, you just tighten the front grill. So actually earlier I have never used an electric shaver. This is the first time I am using an electric shaver. All these days I have been using Mark III along with the shaving cream, shaving foam. So this is the first usage, and while first time using, it was not so convenient for me because I was not knowing exactly the way it is to be used. So after few days, after 2 days again, I tried to do the shaving for 2 days beard, and it was quite comfortable. So maybe we need to do it to keep on shaving this way. Here you can see this is the second time I tried. Earlier was the first time, and this is the second time I am trying, and the shaving is quite good for the price of 450 rupees. I do not know how many days it will work, how many days full charge can be used. So later, if possible, I will try to come up with one more video where I will mention how much shavings can be done for a full charge of battery. from 0 to 100% once we charge. How many times can we shave? But this one, it is quite good. It appears to be quite good because this is the first time I'm using a electric shaver. So let me see, let me come up with one more video if possible. Here you can see even mustache also, it is quite clean. But only thing is, if you use your twin or 3 blade shaving handle, shaving it only towards downwards and not in the reverse, then this shaver gives the same result. It's quite smooth, hairs won't pinch. See, I hope you can see if you increase the resolution of your screen, you can see. If you increase the resolution of the video, I think you can see that it has quite clean. It has shaved quite clean. And now, chalo ide. Even after shaving from this, I have some irritation and itching sensation. So for usually I use a Gentleman's Pride aftershave cream or Wildstone aftershave ultra sensual aftershave lotion. But the difference is this one also has a good result, but this does not, Gentleman's Pride does not cause any burning sensation, but Wildstone, when I apply it, it causes burning sensation, whereas there is some itching. So now whenever you finish shaving, it is advisable that you clean the blades thoroughly, remove all the hairs that are stuck inside, remove them, just pull the blade out, see as shown here, pull it out in this way, keep it aside, remove the hairs that have been shaved gently. Do not be harsh, do not use any hard brush, etc., which may cause damage to the unit because it is made of plastic. The threads inside should not be damaged. If the threads damaged, then the front net will not fix properly. Take the blade, clean it from the back side and the front side as well. See that you will not move your fingers on the blades. If you move your fingers on the blade, or if you swipe your finger on the blade, there are chances that the skin will be cut or peeled. So be careful while cleaning the be careful while cleaning the blades using the brush. Do not touch your fingers on the blade. So do not do this. Do not run the machine when we have removed the net from the blades. So clean this net as well. As you can see, there are some hairs on the inside also. Just clean it properly, gently. Do not damage the grill. See that all the holes are intact. If the grill is damaged, never use the electric shaver. It may cause harm to your skin. So now turn the grill up in the clockwise, fasten it properly, and that's all. It is advisable to clean the blades after each and every shave. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. And also I have provided the links for this electric shaver in the description, as well as I have tagged this device. If you wish to support my channel, kindly click the links and purchase this device. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.